Hickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dock. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my soleha students? May Allah always protect us from any disease every time and everywhere. Okay, so students, the beginning of this video, I already sing a song to you about the clock. So there is a mouse, and there is the clock. So the mouse want to run up the clock. Okay, so like that, the feeling of the song. So this song tell us the story about clock. And if we talk about clock, it means we are going to talk about time. Yes, time, ya. Jadi we are going to learn about time or waktu, ya. Jadi time itu adalah waktu. Now, in this section, you can see in this part, you can see there are three peoples here, and it say, look at the clock. What is the time now? Nah, that is we are going to learn. What is the time now? We are going to know what is the time now. In this chapter, you will be learned to tell the to tell time to the hour and now the time to times of day. But actually today we are going to just discuss about tell time to the hour. Okay, so students, let us start it or beginning the lesson. Nah, the first is telling time to the hour. Look at the hour ends. The first is I want to know. I want to you now what is the part of the clock. Ya, kalian harus tahu bagian-bagian dari jam terlebih dahulu. So I can make sure that all of you have this one in your home, right? You have our clock in your home. I think you already ever seen this clock, ya. Nah, so students. Actually, in the clock, there are hand of the clock, and clock is also have a hand, yeah. So this is we called hand, and this is also we called hand. So a clock actually, general have two hand. That is hour hand, and then a minute hand. Jadi ada dua jarum atau bagian dari jam, yaitu ada jarum jam, ada jarum menit, ya. Hand it called jarum, ya. Jadi ada bagian jam, ada bagian menit. Nah, you have to see which one, ya. You can see our hand is the shorter one, and minute hand is the longest one. Shorter and longer, ya. Shorter and longer. So our hand is also called shorter hand, and the minute also we called longer hand. Jadi ingat, jarum panjang disebut minute hand, jarum pendek disebut jarum jam atau hour hand, ya. The hour hand is pointing to 3. You can see the hour hand is pointing to 3. Jarum panjangnya mengarah ke angka 3. And then the minute hand is pointing to 12. Jarum panjangnya mengarah ke 12. Yeah, you can see here. Okay, this is minute hand or long hand. And then this is a short hand or hour hand. So, because the hour hand is pointing to 3, and the minute hand is pointing to 12, it means the time is 3 o'clock. You can say 3 o'clock because the hour hand, you have to be focused the hour hand in the 3, yeah. So you can say it is 3 o'clock. Nah, we have another example here. Alex jogs at 7 o'clock. It is say 7 o'clock. So you have to pointing the hour hand or the shorter hand in the 7. Yeah, like this. And then the minute hand or the longer hand should to pointing in the 12. So it become 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock because the hour hand or the shorter hand in the 7 and the longer hand or the minute hand in the 12. Another example. Camille swims at 8 o'clock. Where are the hour hand and the minute hand pointing to? You can see 8 o'clock. So, what is in the 8? What hand it's pointing to the 8? Correct. It must be short hand or our hand must be in the 8 o'clock. And then the minute hand in 12 o'clock. That's it. So today we just going to discuss the simple one ya, yang simple-simple saja about our hand or shorter hand and minute hand or the longer hand. Nah, there are 3 example of the telling time to the hours. Now, let's practice. What is the time? So you have to answer what is the time, and then also, yeah, what is the time? Only one number ya, in the page 151. I give few example for part 1. You can see the hour hand is 1 and the long hand is or the minute hand is 12. So it means 1 o'clock. That's it. So you can continue to the part B until part F. Okay, students, thank you so much. I think that's all about our topic today. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.